Hi dear colleagues and friends, I am Marco Rondda from Italy, and I would be delighted to invite you at next symposium in Israel, in Tel Aviv, in September, in which I have the opportunity to spend much time with you. I will participate at the Congress with two lectures. One traditional topic on the GBR, challenging cases in which with different procedures. The second topic, a new topic, is focused on the reconstruction of the inter-implant papilla. I wish you the best holiday in the summer. Bye bye, Marco.